Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, we will see how to book multiple sessions on Qurantuitions. I will also show you how to remove a session from the card. Go to Qurantuitions app, go to My Account. If you have not logged in, log into your account. Then simply click on Find Tutor. Select your preferred tutor. Select course. Then choose the date and time for your session. Again, select date and time for your next session. Now, if I want to remove a session from the card, I will simply go to the card at the bottom bar, click on Remove button which is below the tutor's name. Now you can continue booking your sessions by clicking on the tutor's name. Then click on your preferred course. Select your preferred date and time for your first session, and after that click on Add this booking to cart. Again, select your preferred date and time for your second session and click on Add this booking to cart. Repeat this process until you have added all your desired sessions in the cart. Once you have added all your desired sessions in the cart, you can click on the cart button at the bottom to recheck your cart. Here, all the sessions that you have added in your cart will appear. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Fill up the basic details. If you have logged in, the details will be automatically filled. You will have to select the communication tool, that is Zoom. Simply click on Book My Session and do the payment. If you have any doubt how to do the payment, you can watch How to Book a Session video for payment details.